Samahan niyo kami sa biyahe namin!
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
Guys, we're on our way to the adventure ride. And I'm not really sure if I will ride everything. So, muna siya ako kauban. Excited na mo? Georgia? Yes! Wow! Hello, welcome back! Guys, we're here at the ATV ride area. So every time you go on an ATV ride, you have to read all the rules here. I think they will be discussing it to you anyway. And then those are the ATVs. Okay. God only knows. Good luck to us. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready, of course.
How about you, Yoni?
Ready!
Wala, ready na siya, Zay.
May energy kayo.
Murag ikaw ready, Zay.
Ready, mga biyaheros!
Da! Kami oh!
Ano di ang mulusot?
Ha?
Hindi ang exit na lang siya.
What? Oh my God! So guys, I am wearing black pants. So I really think after the ride, I'll be filled with mud. So we'll be riding one of these later, like Sami. Asa sila nanuyo? Ani tuyo ka sila?
For your elbow, small pads.
Okay.
So straight na yung arms.
Okay guys, so we need to wear protective gear at all times, especially we don't really ride or drive this ATV every day.
The big pad is for your
Knees. Nagpataod ko no. Laban na lang kuya.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Ay, helmet.
protect your head.
What's the head?
How about for the heart, kuya?
Ay, for heart. Riding an ATV, but I have drive motorcycles before na without the clutch. Hi kuya! Afternoon! Asa ka ba dong?
Apahan ako, sir.
Woo! Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Helmet, uy!
Ang ring lang ko.
Ha?
Iapas na ko ng sing-sing.
Oy, ugma na daw sing-sing. Musunod na minimo? Okay. So, after the gears, so we'll have the demo first before the actual driving. Okay, so later guys, I cannot take videos while driving, so someone else will be taking videos before we leave this area, and then we'll just take more videos during the stopover at the peak.
Kaya, that's Tagaytay naman.
Ha?
Tagaytay.
At the peak in Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Tagay Carmen. So we're here for the demo.
So, choose.
I like the blue. Can I have that blue? Oh, ikaw day. Blue lang to tanan. Can I have this na lang?
Yes, ma'am.
Lucky 8. Hopefully.
Number any.
Should we ride on it na?
Yes.
Woo! Oh, it looks comfy. Feels comfy. Yeah. Go girl!
Bala ka, ma'am?
A little bit.
Murag ang unya mo kulbaan ko so I'm not sure later.
Sige, so, ang ATV, ang brake sa ATV is nara sa handlebar or nara sa manete. Ako lang.
Handlebar. Kani ang brake do ha.
So, ang nasa yung right hand mo na siya ang front brake. So, ang left hand, yung rear brake or back brake.
Which is the better the
Both lang natin yung maglibog. Both lang gamitin.
and
So, nakanotice mo sa motor nga lubag-lubag, ang ATV is dili, throttle siya. Nasa inyuhang right thumb. Ano siya?
this one.
Ay kani.
Yeah, kanya, ano siya.
This is the accelerator, the
Unlike
brake.
sa motor nga lubag-lubag.
Ah, so what ni lubag-lubag? You don't need to do this.
Right turn. Kani.
Ah,
Nya og left.
Same.
sa left man. Same sa motor.
Same.
Palikuon dire.
No.
Ano na i-turn?
Ayan.
So, ang pag-press niyo sa accelerator is hinay lang nga makontrol niyo yung speed or ma-maintain yung speed. Ayaw lang i-press pag
I-full.
Kasi mga naanak mo.
Asa to pa kani ang
Kuhan lang,
padagan.
maintain lang. Oh. Maintain lang ka, ma'am. Ilong yun sa kadela. Okay? So, may parts naman na rin. Downhill, so do not use the gas. Focus na sa brake. Dagan rin na yung ATV.
Kani.
So, mag-brake lang tayo. Duha ka brake ang ganito. Sige lang, naray mo assist niyo sa part ng mga blisod. Okay na?
Okay.
Ang kamera.
So, ang
Okay,
ATV is
Rita.
nasa gear. Forward and reverse only.
Video red. Kanang sa front kana, yeah, long press.
Ang ATV is nasa gear.
Mm.
Nasa inyuhang right na
This.
nasa gear. Ang center is neutral. And pull up, forward, pull
Pull-
down, reverse.
Pull up. Ah, yan iyan na pa jud siya. Just like a car.
Pataga na ka, yes ka na, automatic, automatic, na siya. Ano siya? Forward na siya. Kung mo pataga na ka, kung stop ka, shift to neutral.
But of course, brake then neutral.
Saan to?
Mura siya sa sakyanan din.
Padagan na day og start.
Yes!
Ay mura
Okay
ka
naman,
na
ano
ata
yung
sa
lapit?
sakyanan.
Okay na dyan na, ano lang yung pero yung maglibo.
Forward lang.
Forward lang, permi.
Mao na ni.
Ang atras.
Reverse. Okay siya, reverse. Kaya malanganin ka. Ano siya?
Asa ani?
Unsa to?
Neutral siya.
Ah, neutral ni.
Forward.
Pero dili ra gyud siya necessary kuya pasagdan okay ra siya.
Yes, more on forward na naman.
Kuya, tanawa sa sakto na ni siya. Diri?
Yes, mga si forward, ma'am.
Okay na na.
Oh.
Ah, okay. So guys, forward, neutral, and reverse. Okay. Woo! Am I allowed to shout like Tarzan?
Okay, we can do this. Ay, I'm nervous. na.
Elizabeth, ikaw may tig-drive unta na ako.
Karon din ako ka tabang.
You'll be driving with
Kamo sa
Louie.
katua.
Louie! So, good luck. Magkalapos yun niya akong black pants. So, later in the beach, wala ko extra lower. So,
Okay, yan.
dedmahin na lang yung lapok. Yung
Yung puti.
putik.
Ayun.
Ganun! Parang hirap magtagalog.
Samahan niyo kami sa biyahe namin! Yay!
Over naman.
Ready, friend?
Ready to get muddy?
We don't have any choice!
Okay, let's go.
adrenaline rush. This is a great view.
Safari. You can see the cabin, the adventures. That's the welcome pavilion over there. That's the receiving.
Parking lot.
So, not yet. We still have the ranch.
Where are we? Where?
Tagaytay.
This is Tagaytay. Guys, this is Tagaytay. We're finally here. Woo! My gosh, that was still a warm up daw. Saan kaya kami dadalhin ito?
If really you want to get muddy, you try the intermediate and advanced. It's really muddy. You will pass by here. There's a trail.
I feel so thirsty now.
There's a trail. All now, phase 3 here. Yes. This is the phase 3. You can see
There's an animal there.
wild animals. We have pila ta ka kuan bol mga we have more or less 100 cows surrounds the adventure park, specifically ATV trail. So we have the beginners trail, intermediate, advanced, and expert. It's only a warm up. It's only a
Look at the view.
That's why we have intended showers.
Oh, I have a question. How much does it cost for one person to ride an ATV?
It's $450 for beginner, $600 for intermediate, and for advanced it's $800.
So, different level, different price.
Yes.
Thank you. So, I think it's starting to drizzle. So, where are we heading next?
Zip line.
Oh, zip line is okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the zip line. My gosh, just don't mention the giant swing. I'm starting to get nervous if I hear the giant swing. But the zip line, I'm fine. I've tried before, but it was very short and not very high. So we'll see, guys. See you later. Asa to? Okay, number 8. Where's the number 8? Okay. Dili. Yes, please. Taking
I wanna go back. One day, like 5 rounds. It's really a must try, guys. Dili mo magmahay sa inyong bayan. You won't regret. You won't regret. Period. Okay na to, no?
Guys, my gosh, you need to try out the ATV. How's your experience?
Ay, so nice. Sarap balik-balikan.
Wow, we should come back soon. Thank you so much, Cebu Safari, for allowing us to try your ATVs, guys. So after that, you need to return your gears, and we're heading next to the zip line.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.